Greetings, object coder. Um, concept design number 2. Let's take a look at that. We've moved further along, so we're now ready for another concept design. Well, we learned in rehashing that we have a max load ratio. And at that point, we do a rehash. If we go over that, we do a rehash. So we add that as a property, as an instance variable. So now we have just a little bit, and we also we know more about what we called before in design 1. We called it the elements, just a simple array of elements. We know that's not going to work. The reason being is because this case here, when we have 2 elements here, we can't put 2 elements into one slot unless we have to do something like have those as a bucket. The buckets, we learned the buckets themselves, that's just a list. It could be a linked list or an arrayed list. And the elements in the buckets are also important. We learned here, right here for the search problem, that we want those to be key values or this wonderful association object. So these are association object. So in summary here, we have 2 properties. One is an integer, just the max load ratio, and one is a list or what we call buckets, or it's an array. And the elements in the bucket are associations with a key value. The key is the key we search for, and the value is the element, the customer, the employee, etc. So you get familiar with that here, and here's the association here. There's actually code provided for the association. It's a super general purpose object. So we'll talk to you soon.